Hey guys, it's Geordie and welcome to my fourth video for Sitting Pretty. I am creating this beautiful Ariana Grande half updo look for you guys today. It's one of my hands down favorite looks to do with my Sitting Pretty Halo hair extension, so make sure you keep watching. Okay, so I got a brand new halo. This one is the medium halo. I have the fine and the thick, but I thought I'd give the medium a go with the different color. The only reason why I got a different color is because of the summer my hair is getting so much lighter. So I'm gonna use this one in this tutorial. So I've already gone ahead and curled these bad boys, but I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair because I haven't done that yet. So I've got my curling wand and I use the thickest barrel that it has. It's already, no, it's off. Ready? I'm going to section off my hair into like 3 parts, starting from the bottom and bringing all my hair up, just making sure it's out of the way. Again, really 1 inch sections and cut. Ooh, oh no, hello. Is that right? I'm really sorry, don't know what happened there. But basically what I was trying to say is split your section into 2 parts and grab from the back about a 1 inch section, and starting from the back you want to curl away from your face. Alright, so that's the first section done. The second section I kind of do just above my eyebrows. Okay, so now I have curled all of my hair and I've curled the halo. I'm gonna put it all together and show you how it's done. So now we're gonna put in our halo. Just section off the front of your hair, put it all up and away. Then grab your halo, put it down, around, slide it to the back of your head like that, and release. How easy is that? Oh my God, it looks so good. I was actually quite surprised when I got this halo because I was really worried it was going to be too light for my hair, but it actually blends really nicely because my hair is so blonde at the moment from just being in the ocean and summer sun. So having that other halo with a different color for summer and winter, I find is really, really beneficial. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. It looks so good. Okay, I haven't finished yet. Just stop. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna brush all of that out. So with this comb, we don't necessarily have to worry about the wire of the halo at the top because we're gonna be putting it all back. But what we wanna do is we just want to make sure that the hair is not sitting underneath the wire around your hairline because it's not gonna be a good look if it's all sitting underneath. So just make sure you get all of that. Can we just appreciate how good this halo is looking? Look how seamlessly it finishes. It's so pretty. Oh, I just want to leave it like this. I don't even want to put it up. All right, don't be silly. Now, okay, so next step, putting the half updo. I like to use my brows as kind of like a guideline, kind of where the point of your brows are, go up and around, because that's going to be just above where the halo is sitting. The halo sits there, you can see it, but we're going to be putting it up and then fiddling with it later. So make sure it's all up, make sure it's out of the way. But it's already looking so cute. Then you want to grab your comb where the tip is and just bring some of that back down to hide that halo. You can't even see it. And then you want to do the same with the other side. Follow that line and just take some of that out like so. So use your comb, just be careful of that wire because it is going to sit there, so make sure you don't dig too deep when you're combing backwards. Then you want to secure it just with a hair tie at the base of your head. Alrighty, pull it out at the base, and then like we did in the last tutorial, you want to grab the ends and grab the tops and pull in opposite directions, because that's going to create for a really perky little mini ponytail at the top of your head. Oh, it looks so cute. Hello. Okay, so just pull out where you want to. Make sure it's really secure. Again, when you're pulling your ponytail, doing this by pulling both ends is going to elongate that ponytail instead of keeping it quite short. Oh my God, stop it. It's so cute. Hello. Okay, so you can obviously tell how much I love this style. So yeah, that's really about it for me. Look how cute it looks. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's super cute. Oh my God, I'm just obsessed. So yeah, that's really about it. Oh, also, before, we always have to do this because this is just how we do ponytails. Now to finish it off, and you don't have to do this, but I like to do it as per usual in all of my tutorials I have done, grab a little back piece of your ponytail and grab your texture spray or hairspray and just spray this and make sure that's all through that piece and wrap it around your hair tie. Secure the hair at the back of the ponytail just so it's not seen at the front, because you kind of want it to be seen so clean. Oh my God, it's so cute. All right, okay, if you want to have a little bit more volume around the sides, just grab the pieces above where the halo is sitting and just back comb so it's got a little bit more volume and it will hide that halo. All right, to finish it off, I like to use a little bit of texture spray, just spritzing it, not in any particular area, just gives it a little bit more hold. And same at the base of my hair as well, where the curls are, just gives a bit more texture to the curl. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Oh my God, it's so cute. Alright, so this is my final look for the Ariana Grande inspired half updo. I hope you love it because I really do. It's honestly one of my favorite things to do with the halo, and it honestly makes a lot of a difference having that little bit of extra hair for this look, because I find if I have my own natural hair, it's just you have little half wispy bits and it just looks so much nicer and thick and beautiful. I don't know, I'm just totally vibing this look, and it's so nice to have the halo not show and have all these little clips shown everywhere, because it sits at the back of your neck, so all of your hair is hiding it. You don't have to worry about these nasty little clips showing throughout the day. Now, if you're loving these videos just as much as I do, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions you have below, because we love hearing from you. And if you do recreate any of the looks that we've done, please make sure you tag Sitting Pretty and myself in your photos on Instagram, because we love seeing them and seeing what you guys get up to with your halo hair extensions. It's so much fun. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys.